A painting's powerful impact. Unveiling a forgotten artist's legacy and a nurse's calling. The story begins with a young nurse's challenging day. In 1974, Pam Enani, a student nurse at Cardiff Royal Infirmary, was having a difficult shift on the orthopedic ward. Amidst the unpleasant tasks and unfair criticism from her matron, a simple request from an elderly patient, Mary Jones, would change her life forever. Mary asked Pam to visit the Mametz Wood ward during her break and take a look at a painting. This seemingly mundane task led Pam to discover a forgotten masterpiece by Bury-born artist Margaret Lindsey Williams, depicting the care of wounded soldiers. But here's where it gets personal. The painting featured none other than Mary Jones herself, who had been a nurse during World War I. This revelation sparked a lifelong fascination with Williams' work and a determination to uncover the painting's fate after the hospital's closure in 1999. A forgotten masterpiece resurfaces. The painting, titled The Care of Wounded Soldiers, had hung on the ward named after the infamous Mametz Wood battle, where thousands of Welsh soldiers lost their lives. It later adorned the main foyer of Cardiff Royal Infirmary, witnessed by countless patients and visitors. After her encounter with the painting, Pam's nursing career took her to Canada, Saudi Arabia, and the intensive care unit at the University Hospital of Wales, Cardiff. However, it wasn't until 2016, when she spotted the painting in a TV documentary, that she felt compelled to investigate its journey. The painting had found its way to the Royal Military Academy at Sandhurst, but it was in dire need of restoration. Pam's research revealed that the artwork had been rescued from the demolished hospital and loaned to Sandhurst, who raised funds for its restoration. Uncovering a forgotten artist's legacy, Pam's curiosity led her to discover the painting's commissioner, Sir William James Thomas, a coal and railway magnate. He is depicted in the painting alongside matron Montgomery Wilson, a Boer War veteran, and Sister Mary Jones, who had served in a field hospital. The painting also includes Private B.J. Davies, a Welsh soldier, and Lt Col Philip Rees-Griffiths, a senior surgeon. Margaret Lindsey Williams, known for her portraits of royalty and celebrities, had a vibrant life in the early 20th century. She studied under the renowned John Singer Sargent and hosted legendary parties with fellow artists and socialites. Her subjects included Queen Elizabeth II, Princess Anne, a young King Charles, Henry Ford, and President Warren Harding. A controversial interpretation, Williams' work also had a darker side, with her piece The Devil's Daughter influencing Black Sabbath's early albums. But it's her message about the futility of war, conveyed through the care of wounded soldiers, that resonates most profoundly. A legacy rediscovered. Pam's research has brought Williams' forgotten legacy to light, ensuring her impact on art and her powerful message are not lost to history. But the story doesn't end there. What do you think about the power of art to inspire and educate? Is there a painting or artist that has had a similar impact on your life? Share your thoughts and keep the conversation going.